Hi, I'm Stacy, co-founder of the Real Food Dietitians, a brand known for delicious and real food recipes. When you spend as much time in the kitchen as we do, you really need kitchen tools at work. Our entire team has been using Caraway cookware for several months now, and we are so impressed with how it performs, so we wanted to show you a little bit more. Caraway Home has created a set of non-stick, non-toxic ceramic-coated cookware that's truly remarkable. Here we'll show you what's included in a set of Caraway cookware, and I'll provide some demos of cooking with this set in my own kitchen. The set includes 7 pieces, a 10.5-inch fry pan, a 3-quart saucepan with lid, a 4.5-inch saute pan with lid, and a 6.5-quart Dutch oven with lid. You also get magnetic pan racks, which allow many options for storing your pans safely in a cupboard or on the countertops, and also a canvas holder for hanging the lids inside a cabinet door, as well as 2 trivets made from recycled cork. There are so many things we appreciate about this cookware, but first and foremost is the fact that it is a high-quality set of non-stick cookware created with health in mind. That means you don't need to worry about PFOAs, PTFEs, PFAS, or other toxic chemicals leaching into your food. The ceramic-coated pots and pans contain a safe aluminum core and they're free from lead. This high-quality set has a naturally slick, non-stick coating, which means you can saute, simmer, and brown foods while using minimal added cooking oil or butter to the pans. Just look how easily a cooked egg slides out of the pan. We also love that Caraway cookware is so versatile. The pieces can go from stovetop to oven, where they are safe up to 550 degrees, and they work on a variety of cooking surfaces, including gas, electric, and induction cooktops or ranges. Here I'm making our egg roll in a bowl recipe, a veggie-loaded dish that is full of flavor and nutrition that thousands have loved. It contains ground pork or ground turkey, shredded carrots and cabbage, and an easy-to-make sauce that tastes just like you're eating the inside of an egg roll. It is so good. I love that the Caraway saute pan has tall edges that can hold the contents of a recipe like this one, as well as saute the veggies quickly and evenly. Nothing sticks to the pan, and a wooden utensil is perfect for moving the ingredients around. The stainless steel handles on the fry pan, saute pan, and saucepan feature a small bump on their underside that functions as a reminder of the hot zone, which you don't want your fingers to slide past. I'm rounding out this egg roll in a bowl dinner by pairing it with some cooked rice. The 3-quart saucepan is perfect for cooking rice evenly every time, with no stuck-on pieces. Enjoy this pairing as a healthful meal, or store portions in individual containers for easy and healthy reheat lunches to enjoy all week. One of the things we absolutely love about this set is that the cookware comes in many stylish, modern colors. Here I have a set in cream, but it also comes in other neutrals as well as colorful options like sage and terracotta. One nice feature is that the Caraway food storage containers and bakeware come in many of the same options, so you can color coordinate your kitchen. Finally, we love that this set is designed with so many thoughtful features. For example, the pan handles themselves were designed to easily double as a spoon rest, and the lids each include a steam escape hole and ridges for catching condensation. As for cleaning, hard scrubbing is never required, and a simple hand wash and dry will do. I hope you appreciated that review of Caraway. If you're in the market for a new set of pots and pans, we definitely recommend this one. Check the description below for a discount and a link to a full blog post review. From its ease of use to nearly effortless cleanup, we feel confident recommending Caraway cookware as a quality set that will last you for years.